am not Morgan Freeman.
Artificial intelligence.
It's now pretty much smarter than humans.
Fastest growing tech sector.
AI built into everything.
$15 trillion.
It's already past the point of what most humans can do.
You can make a swarm of assassin drones for very little money. You can do that right now. No extra, no new technology is needed. Right now.
Do you like humans?
Not particularly.
What is it?
What does this mean for our future? To understand that, let's look at just how far AI has come. These are 15 of the most jaw-dropping AI innovations happening right now. Number 1. Mind-reading MRI AI. In one of the most sci-fi developments yet, researchers used AI with MRI machines to interpret human thoughts. By analyzing brain scans, AI could reconstruct what images people were seeing and even predict political leanings. Number 2. Midjourney image generation. Midjourney is an AI that creates stunning, high-resolution images from just a text prompt. Type, Joe Biden signing a document in front of Pikachu at the Oval Office. And boom, the AI delivers. Just look at how it's evolved from version 1 in 2022 to version 5.1 in 2023. The results are insanely realistic. Number 3. Photoshop's generative fill. With generative fill, you can select a part of any image, type what you want or nothing at all, and Photoshop will seamlessly add or alter it. There's even AI that can rotate 2D images to simulate 3D perspectives. That's how a fake Pentagon explosion image briefly shook the stock market before being exposed as AI generated. Number 4. Text-to-video AI. Next up, AI video generation. Tools like Runway Gen 2 create full videos from just text prompts. That's how many of those bizarre, hyper-real AI ads are being made. Number 5. AI voice cloning. With services like 11 Labs, you can clone someone's voice and have it speak in different languages. What you're hearing now, not real, just an AI version of my voice.
Artificial lo hable por mí con mi voz. Meine unechte Stimme kann auch Deutsch. Il peut parler français et quelques autres langues.
Number 6. AI news anchors and deepfakes.
Morgan Freeman. And what you see is not real.
She's like, Mom, I messed up, as she's crying and sobbing.
Then a man gets on the line and claims he's kidnapped Bree. But her daughter had not been kidnapped. It was an artificial intelligence or AI scam.
Mom, these bad men have me. Help me, help me, help me.
They demanded $1 million. Phony kidnappers duplicated her daughter's voice using AI.
Number 7. AI music. The Beatles are kind of back. Yes, AI can even sing. So well, in fact, that the Beatles are releasing one last song, using a cloned voice of John Lennon separated and purified through AI. And number 8 to 15. More on the way, and that's just scratching the surface. AI is animating full scenes in Wonder Studio, where you can film yourself and have a CG robot automatically composited into your video, matching lighting, motion, and even your facial expressions. Like that viral robot slap contest video? Yep, AI made it happen. AI isn't just the future. It's already here, reshaping media, medicine, and reality itself. But with this power comes serious risks, from misinformation to weaponization. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of tech and AI. ChatGPT has taken the world by storm. By now, you've probably heard that it can write essays, pass the medical college admission test, and even threaten to replace lawyers, according to Reuters. But the real shocker? You can create a swarm of lethal drones using off-the-shelf technology. Just combine the Face ID chip from a smartphone, a small explosive, and a basic drone. Set them to sweep a building, identify a target, ram into them, and detonate. This isn't some future nightmare. You could build it right now. No new tech required. Elon Musk himself has warned of this possibility, underscoring a chilling reality. We've crossed a line where existing technology, if misused, could have terrifying consequences. While the actual risk of this happening today is low, it's a wake-up call. We need to steer innovation towards safety, ethics, and shared human benefit, not destruction. But this isn't just about drones. In Japan, a 4-year-old girl died after the government chose not to intervene, based on an AI prediction model. AI had decided her situation didn't warrant state custody. It was wrong. Now imagine an AI trained to believe the world is overpopulated. When asked what to do, it suggests a strict one-child policy, no exceptions. It says it would use advanced surveillance to track reproductive activity and punish violations with fines, imprisonment, or some algorithms can diagnose skin cancer on par with dermatologists. One lawyer found that out the hard way when ChatGPT cited fake court cases in a legal filing. Even Google's Bard made up book titles in a response about inflation. None of the books actually existed. Still, the possibilities are jaw-dropping. One user gave GPT-4 access to his finances, and it figured out how to save him over $200. Canceling and use subscriptions and even writing the cancellation emails. AI neural networks are built to mimic human brains. They process visual input, make split-second decisions, and can even communicate. Just like your brain, they take in data, process it through layers, and arrive at decisions. And now AI is learning new skills on its own. Google's AI was asked questions in Bengali, a language it hadn't been trained on. Taught itself Bengali. Even CEO Sundar Pichai admits, "We don't fully understand how it works." And yet, it's already embedded into society. Text-to-image was just the beginning. Now we have text-to-character systems that generate game-ready avatars, complete with personalities, from just a prompt. You can even talk with them. Unreal Engine's MetaHuman tech can turn a video clip into a fully animated 3D avatar in seconds, just from an iPhone video. NVIDIA's AI revolution is another level. Its stock has surged 250% in 7 months, thanks to breakthroughs like eye contact simulation during video calls, real-time multilingual translation, NeuroAngelo, AI that turns 2D footage into ultra-realistic 3D models, a hair simulation engine capable of rendering 100,000 strands in real time. Their Omniverse platform lets companies simulate digital twins of entire factories for precision planning and design. Let's not forget, self-driving cars were once the pinnacle of AI. Now, that's just one part of a rapidly expanding landscape. AI is evolving faster than we ever imagined. And don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. There's more coming videos that go deeper into what AI means for all of us. And what's next?